Frozen water line repairs in Norman help protect your home when cold weather causes pipes to freeze and stop flowing. When a water line freezes, it can lead to reduced water pressure, bursts, or major leaks. Professional plumbers quickly identify the frozen section and use safe methods to thaw and restore proper water flow. Skilled technicians also check for damage and repair compromised pipes to prevent future issues. Many homeowners choose expert repair to avoid costly water damage and disruption. Each service is completed with careful attention to detail and customer satisfaction. Reliable frozen line repair keeps your plumbing system strong and functional. Schedule a consultation today to learn more.